In a world of increasingly complex supply chains, how can you safeguard the integrity and reputation of your brand and supply network, as well as ensure consumers are protected? With a heritage in assurance, LGC provides high-quality assessment and analytical services to meet the demands of global supply chains and changing consumer behavior. We have now brought together 4 of the world's leading brands in this area. Introducing LGC ASSURE, providing localized support and expertise across a global network. We bring together a series of connected solutions providing intelligent assurance for you and your supply chain, covering the assessment and analysis of systems, product performance, and processes, alongside evolving value drivers such as health, environmental, human welfare, and ethical impact. Through all these data points, we determine the activity required to protect you and those who buy and consume your products. Trusted, actionable insights that give you true visibility and transparency, allowing you to proactively improve. Axio, the world's largest proficiency testing provider, delivering confidence in your product testing. BRCGS, protecting your brand with globally recognized supply chain assurance solutions. Informed, delivering quality assurance through globally trusted testing and certification programs for banned substances, providing employers, regulators, and sporting bodies with confidence through reliable animal and human testing programs. Safe Food 360, a leading software provider covering all aspects of compliance, delivered by a team of experienced food industry experts. 4 brands together as one, providing complete confidence, protecting the consumer and your brand reputation. Choose LGC ASSURE, intelligent assurance for you and your supply network.